Can you make a living trading Forex? What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video, and today we're talking about trading Forex? And can you make a living doing it? Let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick. Before we get into can you make a living trading Forex? All right, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more great videos like this. I'm trying to do every day, but it's, life gets in the way, man. I got kids, bro. I got life, but I'm trying to bring you guys some value. So, definitely subscribe to the channel. That's so I can keep providing you with value. It's truly appreciated. You just don't know how much I care. So real quick, let's answer the question. Can you make a living trading Forex? Can you make a living? Can you get that money? Can you make a living? Can you pay your bills with trading Forex? Well, the answer to that heart-wrenching, everybody wants to know question, yes, of course. Of course you can make a living trading Forex, but you have to be consistently doing a lot of things right. Most traders simply do not possess the necessary trading skills or the discipline, the patience, and a realistic attitude to succeed long term in the markets, okay? You gotta think, man, it's long term. You can't think today all the time. You gotta think ahead, you know what I'm saying? But the thing is, there's a lot of people doing it, okay? And the more people do it, the more people that are successful at it, then there's more people that want to do it. They want to follow the trends, you know what I mean? Because there's a lot of people out there making a killing in Forex right now as I record this video, as you watch this video, okay? There's people at home doing their numbers on Forex and you're like, yo, the millionaire next door, don't even know, right? That's how Forex and almost anything online really can be, but Forex for this video is what we're talking about, all right? Okay, so yeah, let's stay with Forex, okay? All right, so I've been thinking about trading Forex along with my other income streams, okay? And I personally, which is one of my major long-term income streams, I invest in stocks. That's like I said, that's my way of, building a long-term income. And I only invest in stocks that pay dividends. So it's almost like I get paid to buy and hold my stocks. Okay, but more on that later. I'll be creating a video for that, about that information to teach you how to do that. Okay, that's coming down the line. So definitely subscribe. Now, but Forex has always been a dragon for me, One of those things that's just been in the back of my mind, like I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this, you know what I'm saying? And this year, I'm looking to slay that dragon, okay? I'm looking to cut him down, okay? So, I know for a fact I need some training on it. So I did hella research. When I tell you I did hella research, I mean hella research. And I came across this product that seemed to be one of the best Forex training products I've seen so far, all right? And there are a lot out there, believe me, okay? I purchased a few of them, and a few of them were trash, all right? No need to name which ones, we're not into bashing things on this channel at all. So it took me a while to find this product because I wanted something real, something tangible, something I can hold, okay? Not just one of those Forex bots that work for a month and then all of a sudden just stop, okay? No, I'm not looking for that, okay? Or worse, one of those courses created by one of those, little newbies, quote unquote, because I'm a newbie to Forex trading, believe it or not. But one of those newbies to Forex trading that thinks he should create a course all of a sudden because he had $1,000 month, okay? And not to say $1,000 a month is a bad thing, because $1,000 is $1,000. But I don't think you're qualified to create a course to teach people and charge people, $500 to $600 for your course, and you've only made $1,000 in 1 month, and that's been your first $1,000 month ever. That's not really what it is right there, okay? But anyway, I personally needed somebody a little more seasoned, okay? And I think most people do too. You guys, when you go to class and you say like you're in business class, you want to be taught by a top entrepreneur or someone that started a business, owned a couple businesses, things like that, right? You want to be taught by that guy. You don't want to be taught by the guy that never did it, or maybe he invested in a couple businesses but never ran one, or never was an entrepreneur before or anything like that. You don't want to be taught by that guy. You want to be taught by the guy that has, real world experience, right? So I came across this dope Forex course called Forex Master Method Evolution. It's created by Russ Horn. Okay, Russ spends most of his day watching the charts, monitoring economic news, trading and fine-tuning his craft. Russ is a real trader, and not like an army trader or like off with his head trader. No, he's a Forex trader, okay, and has put together this one-of-a-kind system after years of testing his own live accounts. Russ is the real deal, all right? Not some actor playing a part, none of that BS, okay? To say that he is a Forex genius, though, I wouldn't go that far, but, he's pretty good at what he does. Okay, so the product Forex Method Evolution is basically it's actually a physical product, so it's basically a book that will be sent directly to your home. Okay, I haven't got mine yet, but I purchased it. But part of it is online, where you actually interact with Russ himself. All right, Forex Master Method is a fresh new method of trading based on proven scientific principles, and they flat out work. Okay, so go ahead, check out the link below. You know what I'm saying? Click it, click it, click it, click it, click it, click it. Okay, you won't regret it. Right? At least check it out. Watch the video. Learn about it at least. It's your boy DeVaughn, right? Signing off for Can You Make a Living Trading Forex? Yes, you can. All right, so until next time, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Burst.
Now tuned into the greatest.